Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change the download location in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Advanced drop-down arrow. Click on Downloads. Under Downloads section, click the Change button next to Location. Navigate to your preferred location and click Select Folder. If you toggle the button below, Google Chrome will ask you to choose the download location before saving each file. This is how you can change the download location in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.